if you will not show respect to your national flag, if you will not show respect to your institutions, if you will not remember the freedom fighters who gave their life, celebrations the medical students are having, or the celebration PM is having, or today President is also going to celebrate the Constitution Day. What is the difference? Because your journey starts from the Constitution itself. For example, I will ask you, what is Constitution and what is the constitutional law? Everybody says that Constitution is the basic law of the country. Constitution is the basic document of the country. In the words of the Kelson, it is a grand norm. Okay, I agree. But how it is different from others? And the moment the students are exposed to this question, their journey starts, their learning starts. And it is important because I am impressed by this Rama University Sir. Congratulations to you and your team. Because when I entered, I saw so many students on the field. They are participating in certain activities. It's a campus full of activities. Every campus is meant for that. And that's why I congratulate you all. Because where the activities are going on, discussions are going on, debates are going on, that place can not other than the university. 1949, I will come to that, and 1950, and almost after 71 years, women in army could claim the equality along with male counterparts. It could have been possible only because of the Constitution. So what I was telling, that rule of law, of course, we have said that we believe in justice, liberty and equality. And rules are there. 3 organs are there. But ideas, because the framers of the constitutions were very intelligent, very wise. You have gone through Directive Principles of State Policy. It starts from Article 36. Sure?
36.
Yes. And it goes up to 51. And then thereafter you will find 51A, that is regarding the fundamental duties. These are fundamental duties are not justiciable. Directive Principles of State Policies are not justiciable. What are they? They are the ideas. Others, organic laws are there, which are trying to regulate the functioning of the organs, whereas ideas are there to enlighten. And the people were not able to answer.
Sir.
Because nobody is going up to this place. So you should know where it is. Constitutional, ये बेयर एक्ट जो आपके हाथ में है, ये बेयर लेजिस्लेशन जो है, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया का है.
असेंबली, ये संविधान हमारा द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट 1935 का एक बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर है, जो कि ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट में पास किया गया था. और वहाँ पे द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्ट में जो डेट मेंशन है, वो मेंशन है 14 जुलाई 1946.
Democratic Republic and to secure all its citizens. Justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunities.
A very good afternoon to all of you. So through our poster we have tried to depict the 6 freedoms that you just now mentioned. The right to equality, the first freedom that you told, it provides that everybody should be treated equal, but only equality among equals, not equality among the people who are not equal. Second comes right to freedom. Right to freedom. Right to freedom basically means to provide freedom to everybody for various things, like they are mentioned in Article 9. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Right to freedom of profession. There are various freedoms that have been provided by right to freedom.
Good afternoon. Sir, I am Pragya Prabha, presenting my poster on fundamental duties, Article 51A. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel once said that every citizen is remembered that he is an Indian and he must follow the rights with certain duties. So the fundamental duties are to defend the country and render national services when they call upon. Every person should remember that when nation needs their help, they should